attacked by people like this, and I'm having fun. This is a great feast.
I experience ki matung ina de atopa jaga amatada sigumba nungaiba yamna
Purul PAOKI paina nungaye. We came to see the celebration of PAOKI at Purul.
I love the Purul village also. Last time also I visited here in this village. I participated in this PAOKI festival also. Why? Because is that I have seen the people who love their forefathers.
Yesterday we came in the evening and we had very fabulous food, and of course we witnessed the wrestling. That was very interesting. This morning we're walking around the paddy fields. We've gone to 1 or 2 places to plant also, and I have been attacked by people like this, and I'm having fun. This is a great feast. I hope to come back again next year also. Happy PAOKI, all the best.
Akhoi Poumai community, especially Purul atongba akutpada lowling bagi PAOKI festival na piriba message se aigi oinadi togetherness, unity masi yam phajai ado yam hena masigi festival si yamna in larger kainoda mayam gi state ki oina even national thak ta bawda masi masa khangan badi akhoi PAOKI se yamna phajagani haina aigi mota thamjari. Thank you.
Purul people are observing this PAOKI and I enjoy very much. This is very good to carry on in the younger generation also. This kind of PAOKI festival will strengthen our relationship.
Purul PAOKI paina nungaye hayote khopa tuzangat me kha sa tho tugai ga mi phange hayote khopa nai mai law nungo ken paina I hang suna to I first time the I allow how come my high the kagen dai mi ken nae kagen to I have the I paina gen nungai the gana nungen how I guy mi ken nae paina free frank oina paina guy hospitality gen paina guy mi ramai nungai paina nungai the my PAOKI
tawatore pishme kapuni le I kamera makhane bulo kabu udo utijia ngole tawatore asasure.
We came to see the celebration of PAOKI at Purul, and this is one of the indigenous practice of our culture, of our indigenous people, and then we really appreciate, and this is how we are preserving our own culture and our identity.
It's my childhood dream to come and visit and also experience how this PAOKI is happening, and it's my first time visiting this PAOKI, and we are having great time. Since yesterday, we had food, drinks, and also we have experienced the wrestling which has happened the whole night till morning. And it's not only wrestling, or it's not only food, but we come to meet many new friends, many new experiences.
Kapuni nai kalinito kwe swa chavatore first time kwe ana chavatore Hawaii chive oni mani zamai ana khungola chavatore swa shiduchova kasama mega krea kaproso sawu akwa hawa mani ni.
Happy PAOKI. I PAOKI hama PAOKI pokiri the ne jo vepura hama na va hama kine na va ne hama PAOKI ngom yu pokiri pa the ne jo vera ra kizu ne bu shoya la sung ra ne ini tiptili太大了，你熬下那个，都一批个了，那去打来打去可以，打来打去得了2万呗，那去PAOKI呀，我有那这条路呢，开路嘛为了来那开单那电影出来，今天上海比如是个微不来的呢。
Thank you, Purul. This is great. Happy PAOKI and all the best. I look forward to coming again.
Hello, PAOKI people ni be, cuma pe hello lah hamai pe. Ni ini se, Roshofa ni bisu yud matang ni. Lawan ani presence ni be.
Hiimai PAOKI 可能让大海大的节流失的需要去拜。Go to the school for